AI and intelligence in general puts everything in a domain where you can think about things and make some kind of choices. And that's a really interesting phenomenon. The fact that, yes, now we could build a computer with 1,000, like we're building a computer with 1,000 chips, with 200 cores in each one, that's 200,000 processors. And we want to program that from a simple program through a software stack that lets you write a program as if you're executing this program and deploy it onto something that looks like hundreds of thousands of minions, doing pieces of it.
Yep.
And, it's kind of stunning to think about, but your brain is tens of billions of neurons that are essentially doing the same thing. They're all little computers coordinating with each other. And so it's the natural act. And, Amazon's Lambda was a thing like that. Program in a high-level language to deploy thousands of cores without having to think about cores. And I'm sure it's absurdly inefficient per thread.
Yeah.
But it's absurdly efficient from a point of view of intention to action, which is what we're optimizing for.
So you just said building a computer with 1,000 chips, 200 cores per chip. Again, another thing you said when we last spoke was you need to find customers who want to build chips with 100 chips to go after the customers who want 1,000, then build 1,000 to go after customers 10,000.
Well, yeah, so what we don't want to do is sell to somebody who sells to somebody who sells to somebody who has a problem they can't solve.
Right.
So what I want to do, we want to build AI computers that are usable, programmable, and then in the short run, sell them to people who want to program AI computers. And they're going to start small, 10, 1, 10, 100, and then they're going to go, this is good, and they're going to scale up, and we're going to scale up, and then we'll sell to more people. And at some point, we'll sell to somebody who sells to somebody. It's like we want to, progressively do this because the AI software stack and the scaling of that in every dimension is difficult. And we think we have a good plan to do that, and we've engaged with a bunch of people about it. And scaling in multiple dimensions is useful, but the single core to 1 million cores and a software stack that can do that flexibly is the mission. And at some point in time that'll be a fairly regular thing to think about, but right now it's a technical problem.